Good afternoon, students. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம 11th standard ல இருக்கிற important formulas and dimensions complete பண்ணிட்டு 12th standard ல இருக்கிற important formulas and dimensional formulas நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, right. First one, coefficient of expansion. இதோட formula that is 1 by t. Say anyone the dimensional formula for this? Time is calculated by the unit. Time is calculated by the unit. Second. And temperature is calculated by the unit. That is Kelvin. Okay. Here the formula is 1 by T. Okay. So the coefficient of expansion, the formula is 1 by T. Here T represents the temperature. Okay. So don't be confused with that. So here I mentioned it capital T. Okay. That is temperature. So Kelvin 1 by K or Kelvin inverse. So that is the dimensional formula for coefficient of expansion. Okay. Next one, force constant. Force constant or spring constant. That is K. So this can be calculated by the formula that is F is equal to K into X. So F is equal to K into X. Now we want only the value of K. So K is equal to F by X. So now we can convert it into units. So F, which is nothing but that is the force, that is MA by X. That is simply we are writing kg meter second power minus 2 divided by M, or we are writing the dimensional formula directly, that is ml t power minus 2 divided by L. We just cancel it, L, L. So remaining M t power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for force constant or spring constant. Okay. Sometimes we can calculate the constant values indirectly. Okay. So if you know the formula only, we are doing all these things. So formula தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளால இந்த மாதிரி இன்டைரக்டா கேட்கக்கூடிய क्वेश्चनக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும். சோ அதுக்கு நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபார்முலா தெளிவா இருக்கணும். அதுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த ஃபார்முலாக்கு கரஸ்பாண்டிங் SI யூனிட்ஸ் நமக்கு எழுத தெரியணும். சோ SI யூனிட்ஸ் எழுத தெரிஞ்சது அப்படினா ஈஸியா நம்மளால டைமென்ஷனல் ஃபார்முலா எழுத முடியும். ஓகே. Next one, coefficient of viscosity. Next one, coefficient of viscosity. So it is denoted by eta. It is denoted by eta. So first write the formula for coefficient of viscosity. So this can be calculated by the formula. Okay. So F is equal to 4 pi eta A into dV by dx. Now we want to calculate the value for the coefficient of viscosity. So அதனால ஈட்டாவோட values மட்டும் ஒரு side வச்சுட்டு remainings எல்லாம் other side you have to send. So eta is equal to F into dx divided by 6 pi A into dV. Okay. So here 6 pi, it is a dimensionless constant. Dimensionless constant. So அதனால இத நம்ம calculationsக்கு எடுத்துக்க போறது இல்ல. So remaining F. So now write the SI unit for F, dx, A and dV. Okay. So here x represents the distance and V represents the velocity. V represents the velocity. Now we substitute the units. Okay. For F. For F, we are writing kg meter power minus 2, and for dx it is distance, that is length, that is meter, divided by that is area meter square into the velocity, that is meter second power minus 1. Now we cancel the common terms. So m square. Okay. So remaining kg meter power minus 1 and second power minus 1. So now tell me the dimensional formula for this. Put it in the comment box, children. Okay, very good. M L power minus 1 and T power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity. So இதுவரை நம்ம பார்த்தது எல்லாமே இம்பார்ட்டண்டா 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃபார்முலாஸ். அதை வச்சுட்டு எப்படி நம்ம SI யூனிட்ஸா கன்வெர்ட் பண்றது அண்ட் அதை வச்சுட்டு நம்ம எப்படி டைமென்ஷனல் ஃபார்முலாஸ் எழுதுறது அப்படின்றத பார்த்தோம். ஓகே. சோ இந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் எல்லாமே வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார்முலாஸ். இதுல இருந்து தான் நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய சம்ஸ் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ற மாதிரி வரும். சோ இந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் எல்லாமே நல்லா தரவு பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க. ஓகே. சோ டெய்லி ஒரு நோட் வச்சுட்டு கிளாஸ் நடத்தும் போது எழுதிட்டே வரீங்க. ஓகே, அப்பெல்லாம் அப்படி எழுதும் போது உங்களுக்கு ஒன்ஸ் ஒரு தடவை ரீகால் ஆன மாதிரியும் இருக்கும். நீங்க திரும்ப திரும்ப யூஸ் பண்ணும் போது அந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா ஃபெமிலியர் ஆயிடும். ஓகே, next one we can go for the 12th standard important formulas and the corresponding SI units and dimensional formulas. Okay, so first one, charge. Charge is represented by the letter small q. Okay, tell me about the unit of charge. That is unit. Very good, coulomb. Okay, right. Now write the formula for calculating charge. Okay, so I is equal to, from the current formula we can take it out. So I is equal to Q by T. So now we want only Q. Q தான் நம்மளுக்கு தேவை. So அதனால ஃபார்முலாவை நம்ம rearrange பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so Q is equal to I into T. Okay, so here I represents the current. Current is measured by the unit what? Very good. It is ampere. It is ampere. So simply we are written it as capital A. Okay. Then next one, small t, that is time. Time is calculated by the SI unit, that is second. Okay. So simply we are writing the dimensional formula, that is T. Okay, T. So tell me the dimensional formula for charge. Tell me the dimensional formula for charge. What is it? I into T. So for current it is ampere, and for time the dimensional unit T. Okay, so this is the dimensional formula for charge. Next one, potential. Next, second one, potential. Potential is represented by the letter V. Potential units சொல்ல முடியுமா? What is the Unit of potential. Potential எந்த units use பண்ணி measure பண்றோம்? Yes, very good. It is volt. It is volt. So now the potential is calculated by the formula that is V is equal to work by charge. Work by charge. So simply we are taking work is calculated by the formula that is F into D, or otherwise we are directly write the formula for work. Okay, dimensional formula for work, that is ml square t power minus 2 divided by charge. Okay, so previously we are calculated the values of charge. What is it? What is the dimensional formula for charge? Very good. It is A into T. Okay. Now, m L square T power minus 2 A power minus 1 into T power minus 1. Okay. We just to bring it the value into numerator. So numerator ku convert பண்ணி எழுதுறோம். So pa m L square minus 2 minus 1 add பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா T power minus 3 into A power minus 1. So that is the dimensional formula for potential. Okay. Very good. Next one. Third. That is capacitance. Okay. So capacitance is measured by the unit what? Very good. It is farad. So now write the formula. That is C is equal to Q by V. Q, which is nothing but charge, and V, which is nothing but potential. Okay. So now write the dimensional formula. That is A into T divided by m L square T power minus 3 into A power 1. This is the dimensional formula for potential. Then AT is a dimensional formula for charge. Now, கீழ இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் மேல கொண்டு வந்து எழுதுங்க. So m power minus 1, L power minus 2, T power of 4 into A square. Okay. So this is the dimensional formula for capacitance. This is the dimensional formula for capacitance. Okay. So simply A inverse we can convert it into above அப்படிங்கும்போது A அப்படின்றத ஃபாஸ்டா ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண தெரியணும். ஓகே 1 by A inverse நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா A. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கன்வர்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் வந்து நம்ம டக்கு டக்குன்னு மைண்ட்லயே போட கத்துக்கிட்டா மட்டும்தான் ஈஸியா நம்மளால ஃபாஸ்டா ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், fourth, electric field. So electric field is calculated by the formula E is equal to F by Q. Okay, so here F, which is nothing but force, and Q, which is nothing but charge. Okay, now tell me the dimensional formula for force. That is M L T power minus 2 divided by charge. Charge oda dimensional formula, that is A into T. So again M L T power minus 2, A power minus 1 and T power minus 1. Now finally M L T power minus 3 into A power minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 add பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா thus minus 3. Okay. Next one, resistance. Resistance is represented by the letter that is R. So our famous Ohm's law. So resistance is measured by the unit, it is ohm. So from the Ohm's law, we are writing the formula, that is V is equal to I into R. Now we want to calculate R. So we just to rearrange the formula. R is equal to V by I. That is equal to potential by current. Potential by current value. So now substitute the values directly. So what is the formula for potential? That is M L square T power minus 3 into A power minus 1 divided by A. Okay, we just bring it A into numerator. That is M L square T power minus 3 into A power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for resistance. Next one, electric flux. Next one, electric flux. So electric flux is denoted by the letter that is phi. Okay. So electric flux or magnetic flux, it is denoted by the letter phi. So now write the formula for calculating electric flux. That is phi is equal to E A into cos theta. So here E, which is nothing but electric field, and A, which is nothing but area. Okay. So electric field is calculated by F by Q, right? F by Q போட்டுட்டு then divide by area ஓட values substitute பண்ணோம் அப்படினாலும் நம்மளுக்கு ஈஸியா எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃப்ளக்ஸ் ஓட values calculate பண்ண முடியும். So இப்ப டைரக்டா நம்ம formulas எழுத போறோம். So electric field ஓட dimensional formula, that is M L T power minus 3 A power minus 1 and for area it is L square. Okay. So now here cos theta, which is nothing but it is a dimensionless quantity. Okay. So now we are writing only for E and A. E and A. So we just multiply the value. So M L T power minus 3 into A power minus 1 into L square. So here L into L square, that is L cube, M L cube T power minus 3 into A power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for electric flux. Next, electric dipole moment. Okay, electric dipole moment is represented by the letter P. So now write the formula. That is P is equal to Q into 2D. Okay. So now we are taking Q and D. Okay. So try it. So what is the value for this dimensional formula? For this Q and D. For Q, it is AT, and for D, it is L. Here, D, which is nothing but distance, and Q, which is nothing but charge. Okay, very good. So dimensional formula for electric dipole moment is simply we are telling LTA. Okay, LTA. Next one, magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field is represented by the letter B. So from the force equation, we are writing. So formula for calculating the magnetic field is F is equal to B I L sine theta. Okay. So here sine theta is a dimensionless quantity. So nammalukku adu thevilla. So remaining formula, that is F is equal to B I into L. Okay. So here we want only B. So B is equal to formulas are rearranged pandrom. F divided by I into L. Okay. So here F, which is nothing but it is a force, I, which is nothing but it is a current, and L, which is nothing but it is the length. Now tell me the dimensional formula for this. For force, it is ML T power minus 2 divided by, for current value, it is ampere, that is A, and for length, it is L. Okay. Here, LL cancel. M T power minus 2 into A power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for magnetic field. So it is very, very important one. Next, magnetic flux. Magnetic flux also represented by the symbol that is phi. Okay. So now write the formula, that is phi is equal to B into A. So here B, which is nothing but magnetic field, and A, which is nothing but area. Already we have known the formula for magnetic field. So what is the dimensional formula for magnetic field? That is M, yeah, M T power minus 2, A power minus 1. Okay. Then for area, it is L square. So now we are writing the formula, that is B into A. Okay. B into A. M T power minus 2 into A power minus 1 into L square. That is M L square T power minus 2 into A power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறப்போ கவனிச்சுட்டே வரீங்க. ஸோ நோட்ஸ் ஏதாவது ஹிண்ட்ஸ் வேணும்னா அப்படியே நோட் பண்ணிட்டே வரீங்க. சரியா? அன்வான்டா டெக்ஸ்ட் மெசேஜஸ்ல டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ண வேணாம். ஓகே, next one, magnetic dipole moment. Okay, so now writing the formula. M is equal to I into R square. So I, which is nothing but current, and R, which is nothing but area. That is the radius. இதுக்கு இன்னொரு ஃபார்முலாவும் இருக்கு. That is I into area. So now tell me the values of dimensional formula. I into R square. I into R square. For I it is A, and for area it is L square. Okay, or L square A. Okay, very good. Next one, wave number. It is represented by the letter that is nu bar. Okay, now write the formula. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Lambda, which is nothing but wavelength. Okay, length. Length is measured by the unit, that is meter. Okay, so now tell me the dimensional formula for this. So simply we are writing the SI, that is 1 by M. So now tell me the dimensional formula, that is 1 by L or L inverse. Okay, very good. Next, pole strength of a magnet. Pole strength of a magnet. So it is calculated by the formula, that is I into L. So tell me the dimensional formula for this. I into L. Very good. It is A into L into A or A into L. Next one. Energy density. Energy density. So it is calculated by the formula that is E by V. E by V. So here E is nothing but energy and V it is nothing but volume. Okay. So what is the dimensional formula for energy? It is m L square T power minus 2. And for volume, it is L cube. Okay. So in the L cube, we just bring it above. M L square T power minus 2 into L cube. Minus 3. Okay. This minus 3. So M L power minus 1 and T power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for energy density. Next. Decay constant. So decay constant is represented by the letter lambda. So this should be calculated by the formula that is T half. T half is equal to 0.693 divided by lambda. Okay. So now we want only the lambda value. So rearrange the formula. Lambda is equal to 0.693 divided by T power of half. Okay. So here T, which is nothing but time, that is 1 by T. So now writing the SI unit, that is S power minus 1. Now writing the dimensional formula, that is T power minus 1. T power minus 1. So decay constant oda dimensional formula, it is T power of minus 1. Next one. Power of lens. Power of lens. So now writing the formula, that is P is equal to 1 by focal length. Focal length. Okay. So now tell me the dimensional formula for this. Dimensional formula. So here length is measured by the unit, that is SI unit, meter. Now tell me the dimensional formula. Okay, very good. It is L power minus 1. Next, linear charge density. Linear charge density. So it is denoted by lambda. Now, writing the formula, that is Q is equal to lambda into L. Okay. So now we want only the lambda value. So rearrange the formula. Lambda is equal to Q by L. Okay. So here Q, which is nothing but charge, and L, which is nothing but length. Okay, tell me about the dimensional formula. For charge, it is A into T and for length it is L. Okay, very good. L inverse of A into T. So this is the dimensional formula for linear charge density. Next one, surface charge density. Surface charge density is denoted by the symbol that is sigma. So now calculating the sigma. So we are using the formula that is Q is equal to sigma into A. Okay. So here we want a sigma. So now we just rearrange the formula. Sigma is equal to Q by A. So here Q, which is nothing but charge, and A, which is nothing but area. Okay. So what is the formula? AT divided by L square, or L power minus 2 into A into T. Next one, volume charge density. That is a rho. So now calculating the formula for volume charge density, that is Q is equal to rho into V. Rho into V. So now we want rho. So rho is equal to Q by V. Okay, Q by V. So now writing the formula, that is Q, it is A into T divided by volume, that is L cube. Here charge by volume. Okay, charge by volume. That is L power minus 3 into A into T. So this is the dimensional formula for volume charge density. Volume charge density. Next one, specific resistance. Specific resistance is also denoted by rho. Okay, so in physics, we are using many of the symbols under the same name. So rho அப்படின்றத density no நம்ம denote பண்ணலாம். Sometimes specific resistance it is denoted by rho. Okay. So now write the formula. That is rho is equal to R A divided by L. So this is the formula. So here R A L. So here R, which is nothing but it is the resistance, which is nothing but it is the resistance, and A, which is nothing but it is the area, and L, which is nothing but it is the length. So now writing the dimensional formula for all these things. M L square T power minus 3 into A power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for resistance, and for area it is L square, and for length it is L. Okay, now combine all these things. M L square T power minus 3 into A power minus 2 into L square divide by L. Okay, so here the common terms we just cancel, and finally M L cube T power minus 3 into A power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for specific resistance. Okay, specific resistance. Next one, conductance. Next one, conductance. That is the, so formula, simple formula, it is C is equal to 1 by R. So here R, which is nothing but a resistance. Okay, so what is the formula for resistance? Resistance is equal to M L square T power minus 3 into A power of minus 2. Okay. Resistance oda inverse da enadhu capacitance. So ipa in the dimensional formulas அப்படியே reciprocal ஆ எழுதிக்க போறோம். Okay. So conductance oda dimensional formula இதோட reverse, resistance oda reverse, that is M power minus 1 L power minus 2 T cube into A square. So this is the dimensional formula for conductance. Next one, conductivity. Next one, conductivity. and it is denoted by sigma. So now write the formula for conductivity. Very simple formula. Sigma is equal to 1 by rho. So here rho, which is nothing but a specific resistance. Specific resistance. So what is the formula for dimensional formula? For specific resistance. What is it? M L cube T power minus 3 into A power minus 2. So in the formula, அப்படியே reverse பண்ணி எழுதிக்க போறோம். Okay. So now tell me the conductivity. Conductivity or a dimensional formula, that is m power minus 1, L power minus 3, T cube and A square. So this is the dimensional formula for conductivity. Next one, gravitational constant. Gravitational constant, that is G. So now write the very famous equation in physics. F is equal to G into M1 M2 divided by R square. So here we can calculate the value of G. Okay. So another formula just to rearrange pandrom. G is equal to F R square divided by M1 M2. Okay. F R square divided by M1 M2. We just bring it R square here and M1 by M2 here. Now tell me the unit for this case, that is force is denoted by the unit that is Newton, or it is meter square divided by M1 and M2, two masses, that is kg square. Okay, now write the dimensional formula. This is very, very important unit. Okay, so what is the unit of gravitational constant? Okay, அப்படின்னு கேட்டா இந்த units எழுத தெரியணும். Okay, now write the dimensional formula for this one. So here we are taking F, that is force, ml t power minus 2, ml t power minus 2, and r, it is length, that is the L square, and for masses m into m. Okay, m into m. Here we can cancel one m and L is multiplied by L square. Then finally we get m L power minus 1, L cube and T power minus 2. Okay, T power minus 2. Up to this clear, children? It is easy to follow. Yes, thank you. Next one, Planck's constant. Planck's constant. So this can be calculated by the formula, that is lambda is equal to h by m into v. H by m into v. Okay. So now we want h. Planck constant is denoted by the letter h. Okay. So h is equal to lambda into m into v. So now what is lambda? Lambda is nothing but it is the wavelength, and m, it is a mass, and v, velocity. Okay. So now write all these things. For wavelength, dimension is L, and for mass, it is m, and for velocity, L t power minus 1. Okay. Now put it in the formula. L m L t power minus 1. So here we just couple all these things. M L square t power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula of Planck's constant. This is very, very important one. Okay. This is very, very important one. Next. Universal gas constant. Universal gas constant, and it is represented by R. So now we are taking the very famous equation, that is PV is equal to nRT. Okay. So idhila we want only the gas constant, that is R. Okay. So R mattum vechittu R mattum oru side vechittu meediya vandu next side anupom. So R is equal to PV divided by N into T. Okay. So here P, which is nothing but pressure. P, which is nothing but pressure, and V, which is nothing but volume. It is not a velocity, children. It is a volume. Okay. And N, it is the amount of a substance. Okay. So amount of a substance, it is represented by the unit, that is mole, and T, which is nothing but temperature. Temperature. And here Okay. So now write the dimensional formula for all these things. That is for pressure, it is m L power minus 1 and T power minus 2. And for volume, it is L cube. And for amount of a substance, N, that is mole. And for temperature, it is Kelvin. Okay. Now, all the values, all these values are substituted in this formula. Okay. So, m L power minus 1 and T power minus 2 into L cube divided by mole into K. Okay. So here we are writing P value, that is ml power minus 1 into T power minus 2. And for V, it is L cube. And for N, it is mole. And for temperature, it is Kelvin. Okay. Now we rearrange this one. M L square T power minus 2 into mole power minus 1 and Kelvin power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for gas constant R. So this is the dimensional formula for gas constant. Next one. Rydberg constant. That is R. Okay. So this is calculated by a very simple formula. That is R is equal to 1 by lambda. Now tell me the dimensional formula. 1 by lambda. L inverse. Now 26. It is also a very simple formula. That is Wien's constant. Wien's constant. Formula is lambda is equal to B by T. Lambda is equal to B by T. So Wien's constant is represented by the letter that is B. Okay. Wien constant oda symbol, it is B. Now we just to rearrange the formula. B is equal to lambda into T. For lambda, it is length. So dimensional formula is L. And for temperature, it is Kelvin. Okay. So L into K is the dimensional formula for Wien's constant. Dimensional formula for Wien's constant. Okay, children. Up to this clear? Yes. இந்த formulas எல்லாமே நீங்க just ஒரு தடவை recall பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க. ஓகே. சோ ஈஸியா ஃபார்முலாஸ் தெரிஞ்சது அப்படின்னா நம்மளால டைமென்ஷனல் ஃபார்முலாஸ் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே. சோ வீட்ல எல்லாருமே பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. சோ பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண ஈஸியா நம்மளால டைமென்ஷனல் ஃபார்முலாஸ் எழுத முடியும். as well as டெஸ்டும் நம்மளால ஈஸியா பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே. Thank you children. Meet you on tomorrow.
Bro, 2 நிமிஷமா